Hello girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I thought I'll share my makeup favorites, skincare favorites and body care favorites. I always show my hair care favorites, so I thought this time for a change I'll show my makeup, skincare and body care favorites. And I'd be so happy if this video helps you in any way. So let's start with body care because I didn't kept so many items in that. We always start with a body wash. This Dove body wash in Nutrium Moisture. It's so good and smells really good. You can definitely try this one, and I have tried three variants in this. One is aloe vera and one is deep moisture, and this is the third variant that I'm trying. I personally love them and they're so affordable, and you can use this for a really long time. So if you want to try any body wash, I think you should try this one. I'll just put my body wash on this and I just use this. Next thing, only body wash is not enough for us. So because we need to exfoliate sometimes to just remove that dead skin cells or whatever. So that's why you have to use the body scrub, and I use Dove body scrub. I have been wanting this body scrub from really long time in this variant. It's pomegranate seeds and shea butter, and I finally got it, and I have to tell you, this smells like bubblegum, like very pinky bubblegum kind of a color. I really smells so good. When you are using this, make sure to use it very gently on your body. This one is so good. It makes your skin so smooth, and it's just so good, guys. I really love this one, and I have also tried a different variant in this. I love that also. It is the most gentle one, but this one is a moderate. After this, moisturizing your body is really important, and I started using this Plum Body Love in Vanilla Caramello body lotion with cocoa butter. Guys, this one smells so good, just like both of them. This is also so good. I feel like my body care has just upgraded because these items are really so good, so worth it. So if you are looking for a moisturizer other than your OG Vaseline or Nivea, I think you should definitely try this Plum Body Lovin' body lotion. It's so good. Just go for it. Girls, definitely shave. And I just wanted to say I have tried these two variants from Venus, and if you ask me which one I will choose, I'll definitely choose this blue one because it's more gentle, and it just removes your hair really from deep inside. I feel like the shaving is so good when I use this one is a little bit uh harsh on your skin, but this one is so smooth and makes your skin so smooth. I misjudged this before, but now literally this is my favorite. If you are looking to buy a new razor, I think you should buy this one. Now I'm going to skincare, and then we will go to makeup products. This face wash from Foxtail. My skin type is combination, so I use this Foxtail hydrating cleanser. It is really good. Really gives that smooth finish, and I always double cleanse, so maybe that is also one of the reasons. But I really feel that this is so hydrating on my skin. I am so in love with this. So just if you are looking for a very gentle and hydrating cleanser, I think you should buy this one. For toners, I use this Wonder Mochi toner. You all of you know already, but I started using this on my body. Okay, whenever I see any dryness or anything, I apply this, and the next morning always apply this at night, and the next morning the dryness is completely gone. This is such a good product for even your body. For my face, it is not quite suiting me because my skin is combination skin, and this is not non-comedogenic. So I'm using this on my body even when when my skin is feeling really dry. First I apply this toner and then go with my moisturizer, and it is actually doing wonders, and I'm totally loving this on my body. I got this Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide toner from Tira. as a freebie, and I am actually in love with this toner because I don't know why I didn't try this before. I'm so glad I got this as a freebie, and I'm going to use this every night. So definitely I'm going to buy a bigger bottle. This one is really good. Face, you guys already know that I love Plum Matte sunscreen, but this has been upgraded to Dot and Key Watermelon sunscreen. I bought this recently, and this doesn't make my skin feel oily or greasy. Like, I'm so happy I bought this watermelon sunscreen. It's so good. I instantly fell in love with this. I'll just know if I don't like any product. Next, I bought this Dot and Key tinted sunscreen in the shade Sand, and I'm obsessed with this. I literally wear every day when I mean every time when I'm making videos. First I apply this and then I use my concealer, and that's it. You have that beautiful face, glowy face. So good. I am so in love with this. If you didn't try this, please just go ahead and buy this one. You can skip your sunscreen because this has SPF 50, PA 3 plus. So PF 4 plus, oh my god, that's really great. 4 plus is great. So if you want to buy a tinted sunscreen, just go ahead and buy this one. It's so good. I skipped moisturizer. So, guys, I use this moisturizer from Foxtail. This is so good, guys. Like, it's so lightweight and non greasy. I just really like this one. Like, इतना easily melt हो जाता है skin में. It's so good, guys. I really love this one. If you want intense hydration, just use more amount, but for combination skin type girlies, I am telling you, less product is more for your skin. When you apply too much, I don't think it'll be that great. But when you apply little amount of any product, I don't use two finger rule for sunscreen also because it will make my skin only greasy. So I just use the amount which is required. I don't follow two finger rule for my sunscreen also. Little favorite thing than the lip balms, and I use this every single night. I can open it and show it to you, like how much I've scooped out from this. That I love this product that much. Maybelline concealer, you can see how much I have used this already because this is literally an eraser. Like everybody says this, but this is literally like that. So if you want to go ahead and buy this one, just go ahead. Oh, one, but soon I'm going to buy the exact match of my skin. This mascara, you can already see how my eyelashes are looking. This is really good, guys. If you really want to try this Paranoma mascara from L'Oreal, just go ahead. It's that good. Just look at my eyelashes. My lip combo, I am using this Mars lip liner and this beautiful Lakme Nude Twist. You guys can see how old this has got, but still I use it. Let me just show you, like applying like on camera once. Like, it's really dark because I applied so much of lip liner there. Now did you get it? Like, it's so good, guys. Like, I literally love this Nude Twist from Lakme. It's not completely transfer proof, but I still like. If you are near to my skin tone also, so it'll look amazing. Just look at my lips. It's so good. Gloss from Maybelline. It's literally my favorite in the shade Petal. I love this one. Looking for a powder blush, I think I got one for you. This is from Pack Cosmetics, and this is in the shade After Party. It is so good. It is like a very stunning shade. Just look at that. And I have applied that right now. I applied here. Like, I applied the blush all over my face. Since the day I bought this, I didn't stop using this one. Literally, I use this every day whenever I'm shooting. So if you are looking to buy a powder blush, just go ahead and buy this one. And this is very safe on skin also. I even checked that. I asked ChatGPT and ChatGPT told me to buy this, and I bought it, and it's so good. If you are looking to buy for a powder blush, I think you should definitely buy this one. Okay, and if you are looking for a compact powder and you're confused and you want that matte finish and which covers your pores, buy this one. This is from Maybelline Fit Me. I took this in the shade 310, but this is like a little ashy on me, but you can take one shade lighter also, but this also goes well on my face. It's not like too ashy. Yeah, I think that's it for the video, guys. These are my makeup, skincare, and body care favorites. I really hope I helped you guys a little bit at least with this video. So, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.